Please check that your video settings are correct in the lower right-hand corner of your video screen. Conventional replugs are for those times when you need to steal dimmers from another show that is in rep. This is an example of stealing multi-dimmers from show name A and using them in show name B. Let's take a look at the first electric. We see that it uses dimmers 385 through 390, 412 through 415, and 427. We want to steal the multi-dimmers 385 through 390 and use them in show name B on the third electric. We want to document on the first electric that dimmers 385 through 390 are now replugs by clicking on the Edit button. This is where you can make your changes. In the Replugs with Multi-Dimmers box, we'll tell the chart that 385 through 390 are replug dimmers, and click on the Save button to save your changes. The DMX chart now documents 385 through 390 as replug dimmers. Let's take a look now at the third electric. As you can see, the 6 pars for show name B are in need of the 6 dimmers we took from show name A. Let's start by documenting the dimmers we'll use for the third electric by clicking on the Edit button. So the multis used is 385 through 390. There's no spare dimmers, and we want to indicate that these dimmers are replugs by answering the Replugs box with 385 through 390, and then click on the Save button. Then we can enter in these dimmers directly on the Fixture Type Schedule using these Edit buttons. Just click on the Dimmer Edit button you wish to edit, then enter the dimmer number. Looking at the first electric, the DMX chart now puts an R in the Replugs column for the replug dimmers. And back on the third electric, the dimmers are documented as replugs with an R in the Replugs column. The DMX Used tab will give you a visual of all the data that is already assigned in each universe. Each universe that has DMX data will be listed here. Let's take a look at Universe 1. The DMX chart recognizes 2 different types of DMX data: conventional fixture types and DMX controlled fixture types. On the DMX Used tab, all conventional fixture types will be shaded in pink, and all conventional fixture type replugs are shaded in tan. By mousing over a DMX block of data, the chart will tell you if it's a conventional or a DMX controlled fixture type, what show or shows it's used in, where it is located in your lighting rig by position, what kind of conventional fixture type it is, the DMX dimmer number, the absolute DMX dimmer number, its purpose in life, and the dimmer specs. Let's look at how the DMX chart documents dimmers as being replugs, or dimmers that are used for another show that is in rep. The multi-cable of dimmer numbers 385 through 390 are being used in both show name A and show name B. In show name A, dimmers 386, 389, and 390 are spare dimmers, but the entire multi is used in show name B. Notice that when you mouse over dimmer 385, it lists both show names for the dimmer in use. Dimmer 386 only lists show name B because it's a spare dimmer for show name A.